Okay, so it's 27 degrees, 8 o'clock in the morning. Man, it's going to be a hot one again today. Right, let's see if this works. First ever POV video in Japan. Okay, there's one here. Okay, oh, by the way, I'm shooting with my M11-P and the 35mm light lens lab. Now I've got to get used to doing this because normally I use the rangefinder patch. But we'll see. So you guys can see what I'm taking a photo of. I might turn it down a bit. There you go. I have it on rapid, don't need that. There we go. Okay, and there's another building up here I want to take a photo of. Now this building will feature in a video in a few days probably, because I just love the look of this old building with the bike and everything else. So, take a photo of this one here. So there we go. This is really awkward doing this, but we'll see how we go. Right, actually that one there is quite nice too. The one next door to it, that's an old building, isn't it? There one. It's there. Obviously I'm using the 35mm. Okay. So I'm on my way at 8:05 to get a coffee at Costa Coffee, which is a British company actually. And they do the best coffee in Ginza, and they open the earliest. They open at 7 in the morning. Morning. Oh yeah, the police station on the corner. Okay, everybody's off to work, and it is already sweating like a pig. I'm actually not expecting to get many photos today because it's quite overcast still. The sun might come out a little bit later, but I'm not sure. I don't even know if you can hear me on this microphone. It's on my back, so we'll see. So yeah, so this is my first POV video. So this is my first POV video in Japan. We'll see how this goes. So I'm using the DJI Action Pro 5. I think it's called the Pro 5. I don't even know if I've got it set up properly. I did bring NDs and I can't bother to put the NDs on there. So there's a nice patch of light there. Let's see what we can get on that. Normally these patches of light are a lot brighter. Get some really good light with them. So let's see what we can get here, but I don't think there's anything here, to be honest with you. Perfect. Nice hat though. Nope, that's definitely not a keeper. Just like a 10-minute walk to Costa Coffee. There are some other coffee shops around here, but some of them don't open early, and the other ones have awful coffee. And plus I can get a bucket of coffee at Costa Coffee. It's called a medium. They don't do a large. Or was that a medium or small? Can't remember. Look how neat, right? They have their rubbish in Japan. Unbelievable. So yeah, so it's winter time in New Zealand, and now obviously I'm in summertime in Japan, which has hit me pretty hard. It was actually all three of us, Jack and Amy as well. A couple of days ago it was 38 degrees, which is insane. So that's get on from here. Yeah, there's that coffee shop there, but the coffee doesn't look that good because they don't have a proper coffee machine. They have one of those automatic push the button and hope for the best. There's a woman there holding a cabbage. Oh, whatever. Right. Now, one thing you do need to be careful of if you are traveling to Japan and you are carrying your camera. I always carry my camera on a wrist strap and it hangs by my side. When they ride their bikes on the footpath, they ride incredibly close, and I've had a couple of near misses where they've nearly clipped my camera. So I have to now tend to move my camera here, so it's out the way. I'm actually walking to the coffee shop earlier than Amy and Jack. They're gonna pitch me up in a minute. Man, I don't think I could survive in this heat all the time. Okay, about 5 minutes away from the coffee shop. This will be a very quick POV video. I really don't think I've got any photos today, but we'll see. Just like I said, just a quick walk to the coffee shop. I've got to edit some photos from the assignment I did the other day for one of the magazines. So I do have my laptop, my iPad, my backpack. I also have my M11 monochrome. We'll see how that goes. You gotta wait for like. Do want to try this place one day. Honolulu coffee. I've never actually ever had Hawaiian coffee. Quite interesting. Very well. Let's see what the side of here. Done. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Right. As I'm walking along, as I'm walking along, I've kind of just thought to myself, did I turn the DJI Action on? Oh well, if I didn't, there won't be any video. There'll be voiceover, but there won't be a video. Let's see if I can get this. This will be about here. Shame it's overcast, but we'll see how the weather goes. Apparently we got rain today as well, so me and Amy do have somewhere to be this afternoon. So quick coffee this morning, edit the photos, send them off to the magazine, and then all done. Easy as that. I say it's easy as that. I know it's going to be an issue. So this is Costa Coffee, which is actually a British company that was bought out by Coca-Cola. Quite a bit of money, for quite a bit of money actually. Here, gonna get this. Honestly, they make the best coffee I've had.